You're running a small business. You're juggling clients, emails, and a million other things. Your phone rings and you answer with a sigh. It's another sales call. You hang up, frustrated. Sound familiar? Imagine a world where your phone only rings for important calls. A world where you can manage your business phone system from anywhere with a few taps on your smartphone. A world where your team can collaborate seamlessly, no matter where they are. That world is possible with MightyCall. But is it good? Let's dive in. First off, what is MightyCall? It's a cloud-based virtual phone system designed for small businesses like yours. It promises features like call forwarding, voicemail, call recording, and more, all wrapped up in a user-friendly package. But does it deliver? Let's talk about the good stuff first. MightyCall is incredibly easy to set up. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can get your system up and running in no time. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it a breeze to navigate. And the mobile app is a game changer. You can make and receive calls, check voicemail, and manage your account from anywhere. But let's be real. No product is perfect. While MightyCall offers a solid feature set, some users have reported issues with call quality and customer support. Some advanced features like call scripting could also be improved. So, is MightyCall good? Well, it depends on your needs. If you're a small business owner looking for a simple, affordable phone system, MightyCall is definitely worth considering. However, if you need advanced features or have specific requirements, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, the best way to decide if MightyCall is right for you is to give it a try. They offer a free trial so you can test it out without committing to a plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.